Okay, so the next thing you're gonna have to do is get and download Quixel Bridge. Once you type in Quixel Bridge on Google, you can click on this link, quixel.com/bridge, download bridge, and yeah, I already got it installed. So opening it up, all you need to do is log in. So make sure you're logged in. For my MetaHumans account, I use my Unreal Engine account, and you can do the same for here. If not, use the same account that you used on MetaHumans Unreal website. So yeah, going to the MetaHumans section, we got all the default ones, but we could also go to My MetaHumans, and as long as you're logged in correctly, it'll sync up. And after that, so make sure, so if you make any changes right now and then you just like give it like a couple seconds, it'll automatically update on Quixel Bridge. So, and if you do any updates, you have to re-download it. So right now these guys are already downloaded on my computer. So this guy's new, I'm gonna download him. Okay, now that your guy has downloaded, you'll see a different symbol right here. And you'll just have to click on him. So over here you can go to your export settings, and you can set it to Maya or Unreal Engine or any of these other softwares you might use, and some other options as well. I'll keep everything default for now. Let's start with Maya. Oh, you can also set download settings if you like as well. Okay, and actually let's set it to 2K. That way things don't take too long. So I'm gonna export, and it should export to Maya now. So I believe Maya should be opening. Oh, maybe not. Let me... Okay, so now it's on. Let's go back to Bridge and export it. Should work this time. Okay, and you're going to overwrite this empty projects. So press yes. Okay, so now we're in Maya and everything is imported. As you can see, we have our character. Looks like camera's a little off, but that's okay. We don't do too much in Maya right now. Let's look at the skeleton. So as you can see, there's a skeleton. No control rig or anything, or controls. It's just rigged. If you like, there are scripts you can download online if you ever want to do custom animation. And over here you could also see the facial rig. It's pretty complicated, but works really well. Let's hide that for now. Yeah, now that it's in Maya, we can go ahead and make any type of edits we'd want or use as a reference for adding new additions to our custom MetaHuman. Okay, so now to import into Unreal, let's make a new blank project. Next. Okay, name it whatever you like, whatever settings, you can always change later. Great project. Okay, next let's go back to Bridge. Select your character. Export settings, set to Unreal Engine, have the right version, and make sure you have the plugin installed into the right folder directory. If not, it won't say installed right here, so just make sure that's blue. Okay, and we'll just press export. Okay, then it will see that Unreal's open, and it will import your MetaHuman into the scene. Okay, let's press restart now. Okay, cool. So now in the MetaHumans folder, you'll see your character. If you import some more from Bridge, you'll get new folders. Okay, so now in blueprints, we could check out our character. Okay, so now in our blueprint viewport, we check out our character, and it looks like everything came out pretty well. When working with MetaHumans, their body is in like parts, so luckily in the blueprints it's all together. Yeah, so for the body, if you look at it, it's actually just hands and feet, but this is the mesh that has the skeleton. If you ever want to check out the materials, they're all imported as well. And if you want to bring your character in, you can just drag it in.